These are some beautiful shavings produced with the Jackson drying system. This video will give you an overview of how a Jackson shaving mill and drying system yield some of the best shavings in the world. This is a panoramic view of a drying system. We will spend a few minutes looking at each stage of the process. It all starts with the Jackson shaving mill producing the wet shavings. Jackson shaving mills come in a variety of models depending on a customer's needs and desired output. This is the control station, which regulates the entire mill and conveyors leading up to the dryer. It comes with an emergency kill switch, so the whole system can be shut down instantaneously. The hydraulic log deck assists in loading the hopper boxes. Jackson shaving mills produce light, fluffy, and curly shavings that are transferred by conveyors. These shavings are deposited onto conveyors and fed into the dryer. Our experience has shown that the most cost-effective and efficient method for drying wood shavings is the use of a triple pass drum dryer. The model of dryer shown here is capable of handling product coming from 2 shaving mills. The dry shavings and sawdust exit the dryer and are blown into a cyclone. The use of a listed spark detection and extinguishing unit is necessary in order to meet code. These controls are sold and installed by independent contractors that we can recommend. In the cyclone, the warm, damp exhaust gases are separated from the dried product. The product then falls out of the bottom of the cyclone and onto a shaker screen to remove the fines from the shavings. At this point, there are 2 processes taking place. One is the fines are being sent to the fuel bin, and second, the shavings are being sent to a bagger. We will look at the fines first, and then come back to the shavings. The fines are fed via a blower through the fines pipe. The fines then enter the top of the fuel bin. Fuel is augered out of the storage bin by the fuel feeder unit and blown into the burner. The web burner is a solid fuel combustion system, also known as a biomass burner. We manufacture a complete line of burners available in sizes up to 60 million BTUs per hour. They may be fired with a variety of solid fuel. These burners are ideal for generating large quantities of heat at substantially less cost per BTU than traditional oil or gas-fired systems. Fuel savings of 80 to 99% are common. A complete burner control panel automatically adjusts burn rate based on desired output temperature and assures accurate moisture control without product breakdown. Inside the burner, complete combustion occurs in semi-suspension within seconds, resulting in emissions rivaling those of natural gas burners. There is no smoke except when the fire is first lit, and there are no carbon monoxide emissions or other greenhouse gases being released. In addition, the extremely rapid combustion process allows quick response to changing process loads. Going back to the shaker screen, we see 2 conveyor belts for traveling the shavings up and into a holding bin, truck, or other storage. The shavings are still hot, and the holding bin allows them to further cool, before being transferred with an auger to a 3-stage bagger. first tube is filled to a measured height, then rotates and a ram comes down compressing the shavings to 1/3 their original volume. And with the third rotation, the operator folds, seals, and transfers the bag shavings. Jackson has been a leader in the wood shaving industry for over 40 years. We have worked with many customers to set up entire shaving plants and drying systems. We bring this unparalleled depth of experience to every customer. If high quality shavings are what you desire, we would be happy to discuss your project. Simply give us a call at 715-926-3816 or visit us on the web at www.jacksonlbrharvester.com.